Hello guys, in this tutorial I will explain you how to disable WordPress emojicons. So the code is here, so just you can simple copy the code, go to your FTP, open your template file and go to functions. Just with a few lines of code like this one, you can disable all emojicons on your WordPress website. But before this, I will explain you what exactly this simple snippet can do for your website. So if we go to our website and right-click View Page Source, we can easily see where is injected this emojicons. After disable emoji on WordPress, this a few lines of code will be removed in your front end. So let me show you this. First, we need to save our snippet in functions.php and let me refresh the page. You can see the emojis are gone. So if we search for emoji, we can see only here the article, but nothing in our header. So there is no emoji code more in our WordPress template. So it's very simple. Just copy the code and put the code in your functions.php file in your WordPress template, and everything will be okay. Let me add some comment here. Disable WordPress emoji. Save. So all of our emojis are disabled now. This can speed your website, and Google will be happy if you disable scripts like this, because this is sometimes these emojis can give you errors in Google page speed and ping DOM, like render blocking JavaScript. So you can see here in the articles. So that's it. That's it for now. Have a nice day, and that's it.